The number 2 reason to buy a knitting subscription box is that it's an affordable luxury. If you grew up the way I did, middle class, we pinched pennies until they bled. And I can still stretch $1 to within an inch of its life. And it's a source of pride. It sometimes makes me feel even a little bit guilty to pay full price for something. And spending $50 on myself, there have been years that would just seem like impossible. And maybe for you right now, that is still impossible. And I completely get that. What I want to encourage you today is to, in your budget, set aside a few dollars every week for yourself, for affordable luxuries, whatever that means to you. These daffodils in the background here, they were $4 at the grocery store. They bring me such happiness and such sunshine into my life. I bought 2 sets because I was feeling crazy, so I have some daffodils in the living room as well. The reason that a knitting kit is also an affordable luxury, it's a box of indulgences just for you. You get gorgeous yarn, high quality, beautiful needles. You get a hand-sewn project bag with snap closures that are super smooth. They will not snag that gorgeous yarn that you've invested in. You get a wonderful beeswax hand salve to quench that thirsty skin. All things to take good care of yourself. Now, there are ways to get a discount on this kit. Having said all that, and it's an incredible deal, if you join my email list, the link is below, you will get a discount code on this kit. So I know if you grew up like me, it's all about the coupons and the discounts. But even if you just decide to go for it and you decide to subscribe to a year's worth of kits, you will also pay less per kit, which is wonderful. And I have such exciting kits coming up for you, one each quarter. So you have my permission to use the good yarn. You have my permission to indulge yourself and treat yourself to an affordable luxury. Please don't feel that you have to justify it and say, oh, well, I'll get it, and it's going to be a gift for someone else. You go ahead and you give yourself that gift, all right? I want you to indulge yourself. And these are also lessons that I am teaching myself and trying to learn from myself, so that might be why I'm so passionate about it. So we will do this together. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow for the number 1 reason that you need to buy the knitting subscription box kits. See you then.